Airtime Heating and Air Pro is your go-to HVAC contractor in Oceanside, California. We are proudly serving San Diego and the nearby communities for over 15 years. Whether you're looking to cool down on a hot day or stay warm on a colder one, our air conditioning and heating service team is just one call away. When installing air conditioning, we don't cut corners and only use quality materials for the entire install. This ensures your HVAC system stays working for years to come, and your air quality isn't reduced by using poor quality filters. We keep our costs low with volume and pass the savings on to you. Airtime Heating and Air will look after you every step of the way. From providing you with a fast and affordable quote to cleaning up their mess after an install. Split systems are a fast and easy way to cool certain areas of your home. Installed in under a day, we will come to your home and assess the best location for the outdoor unit, then install the indoor unit in your specified location if possible. Pedro has been a top-rated HVAC contractor in Oceanside, California for over 15 years. If you want the best quality materials and installation, choose Airtime Heating and Air. Airtime Heating and